Meet the new Tutor LMS 4.0, the learning platform reimagined for today's students. Everything they need, all in one place. Every feature, right in their hand. Learn anywhere, anytime. Highlight what matters. Take notes from the text or straight from a video. Find it instantly later. Introducing brand new quiz types that actually feel like learning. More engaging, more interactive, more fun. Making learning feel less like a test and more like progress. Stay connected to every student. Questions, comments, conversations, all centralized, all within reach. And for young learners, introducing Kids Mode. Playful, colorful, safe. Designed to make learning feel natural from day one. And it's not just for the young ones. Built-in accessibility ensures no one gets left behind. It's time to rethink the learning experience. Tutor LMS 4.0,